Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix the Instagram. There was an error loading this section. Please try again later. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, long tap your Instagram app and tap on app info or I button. Scroll down, tap on force stops. Okay, and then again tap on storage, clear cache, tap on clear data, delete. Okay, go back, and now tap on the permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar, second call logs, camera, contacts and location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications. Turn on notifications, go back, and phone, protection, videos. Okay, always allow all. Go back to home screen and go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram update, check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app updated showing, and tap on update option. And now waiting a few seconds and updating complete now. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection, and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and open your Instagram app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.